He's driving the ambulance so recklessly. Looks like it will take a few more people to the hospital.
Oh, what's happened to him? Do something, please!
Nurse, get the injection ready.
Sir, his temperature and pulse are very high.
The next half an hour will be very crucial.
Do something then! Just don't talk.
We are trying. You should have thought about it before consuming so much drugs.
After consuming so much drugs, I'm sure he has to get hospitalized somewhere. Search him in all the hospitals and also in the hotels. He might have called a doctor over there. And if he has changed his name, check his identity proof.
Don't worry at all. I will alert all the police stations. He will not be able to get away. Hey, why did the ambulance stop?
We have reached the hospital.
Don't take me to any hospital or hotel. No, Mr. Sweetie. Don't take me there at any cost, okay?
No. I cannot admit him into a hospital.
Are you out of your mind? You are neither calling his family nor are you getting him hospitalized. Are you his friend or an enemy?
Sorry, doctor. I cannot do this.
All right. Here, take this and sign this form. After that, do whatever you want to.
What's written in this?
It says that we are not responsible for his life. If something happens to him, you will be responsible for it.
No. I cannot do this. You do whatever you want to do. What is clearly obvious needs no proof at all. KK had said that patience always pays off, even if delayed. Justice. India's judicial system does not differentiate between the rich, the poor, the powerful, and the weak. All are equal.
Don't search him by his name. Recognize him by his photo. He is a big fraud. He might have changed his name.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now go and check there.
Yes, sir.
A man by this name is admitted in your hospital.
We didn't find him anywhere, sir. I checked the hospitals of the entire city, but all in vain. His phone was switched off and even his assistant's phone is switched off. But sir, don't worry at all. I have put my entire force on red alert, sir. We are keeping a close watch on the whole of Delhi and the NCR. We have even deployed 2 men at his residence.
How did Siddhant Sinha deceive me? Where did he go? Dad, you?
This suit is so amazing. No matter how the person is, dark or fair complexioned, rich or poor, the moment you wear it, it hides your reality. But when you take it off, the real face of that man is his character, which comes out. And this is the real identity of a man. Your real identity is that you are my elder son and the Reddy Trust's head from today.
Yes.
I have done a lot to build this empire. You should not hamper this by anything that you do.
Yes, yes.
I am going to become the biggest businessman of India. Siddhant has saved you today.
The number you have dialed is currently switched off. Please call again later. The number you have dialed is currently switched off.
Siddhant, where are you? Why is the phone switched off?
This should not happen again. Never, ever. All right?
But Dad, I didn't do anything. I was being framed in all this.
I know everything. And you. He is your husband. His well-being, it is your responsibility. You should know which matter of your husband should not be leaked and which matter should be told to KK. Today you have failed in your duty. This should not happen again.
Father-in-law? Only because of you he got upset with me. I'll never forgive you.
What happened? Do you want to say something?
No, I needed to ask you something. Please tell me the truth. Was there drugs or not?
Why do you want to know? What help would it be to you? The matter has ended, right? Anushka, what difference does it make if there were drugs or not? It has already been proven in court. That's it. Where the heck is this Siddhant?
What work do you have with Siddhant?
I have to tell him what he should say to Dad if he asks something.
Brother, you still didn't answer my question.
Which question, Anu?
Tell me one thing. Was there drugs or sugar in that pouch? Brother, please, don't lie. I'm your sister. We have an unsaid bond between us. If you don't tell the truth, that trust and faith will shatter, brother. Please.
Yes, there were drugs in that pouch. I would say these drugs will knock out 3 or 4 men.
तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू मिले